There's another one. Holy, it's got some power. Welcome back, everybody. Today we are back at a spot we hit in the last video. Last video I was kind of doing some research on different areas, seeing what was working so far in the spring, and this spot was producing, so we're gonna try it again today. I'm hunting for crappie. That is the main goal, crappie and rock bass. And pike season did just open today, so I might throw something around for that, and we'll see how it goes. Got that Donkey Tail Junior, the 132-ounce jig. I got a nice bite there. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, this is a little guy. Bluegill. There we go. Not bad. So there we go. Take that. Spot seems to be a little hotter than it was last weekend. Would you say?
Yeah, so far.
Yeah. Oh my, another one. Oh my gosh. Another decent size. That's definitely the best one so far today. Not bad at all. Okay. So bluegill are not my target species right now, but I'm gonna take them because they are some pretty good size. Nothing massive yet, but got some big backed boys. There's another one. Holy, it's got some power. That's another big one. I think that's a new big one of the day. Woo! There we go. So yeah, like I said, I'm just throwing this micro jig, and it seems to be the slower I'm fishing it, the more fish I get on. It's always on that pause. Oh, I had another big bite there. So when I was throwing that smaller Donkey Tail Junior, it's getting nothing but bluegills. It's time to size up. This is the brand new reel I got on here. Shimano Sienna 2500 HG. It's already so weedy. You can't even bomb this thing out there. There we go. In the strike zone.
Oh yeah. I don't know about it.
Yep.
Yeah?
Yep. That's something. Oh. That was a fish, man. I mean, it was a small fish. Man. It's fighting me back, bud. It's okay, I get back in the strike zone. Okay, that's a weed. All right, we'll move.
Sure, if we really milked it, we'd catch something.
Not worth my time. There's so much more to fish. We got to keep moving for the day grows old.
Yeah.
Oh, it's just a bass, man. Oh, it's a whole school.
Oh,
Small though. These weeds are just crazy. Yeah, they're eating it, but they're not actually like getting on it. I think they're just, I don't know, nesting or something maybe.
yeah.
I'm not bothering over there though. This is tough to fish, man. Holy. Strong wind. Doubt you can even hear me right now. Putting that wind mode on the GoPro into overtime. Alright, Liam keeps catching crappie on this side. Let's see what's going on. It's dead over there, man.
Over here. Like,
Yeah, I'm gonna start throwing it. Yeah, I'm gonna throw that. Try to get on something. If there's like a school, that'd be nice. But
Just kind of slowly, then pulsing it and stopping.
okay, you're fishing it
Just
slow
like,
then, eh?
kind of try and change it up every time
There we go.
I fish. Yeah.
Something, yeah. Oh, are you kidding me? What is that?
Dink crappie.
Dang crappie.
Definitely something.
Okay, we got a school then. That's not bad. Okay, first crappie of the year, I guess. Okay, I want something with some weight to it now. No, man, what was that? Oh, I think it was just a bass, actually. Yeah, but this side's just dead. Remember that time when you were like, oh, fish will go in the spot that's not facing the wind? And then we ended up catching every single fish on the other side. Yeah, okay, buddy, okay. Well, that's it for today. It was a pretty good morning. I really wanted to get some crappie and some rock bass. No rock bass whatsoever. I don't know what's going on here, but I don't get any rock bass until the summer. Like, there's just nothing around right now. So that didn't work out. We got on one crappie, one tiny crappie. So not ideal, but we did get on some more nice bluegill to start the season. Thank you all for watching.